Hello friends, welcome to this new video. Hope you're all doing well. So today, as usual, we're going to look at some tests, okay? And I suggest you first look at this sequence and find out which number comes next. Are you ready for this? 1 minute. Go! Okay, time's up. I think you got enough time to think about it. Let's look at the correct answer now. So here, yeah, I said a sequence, but it's actually a double sequence, okay? So yeah, 7 plus 2 equals to 9, 9 plus 3 equals to 12, 12 plus 4, 16 plus 5. Actually, if you will take 8, then it's plus 2 here, plus 4, plus 6, then plus 8. So the sequence, the next one in the sequence will be this one. So yeah, it's going to be 21 plus 6, okay, because you get 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. So the correct number is 27. Yes, 27. So I don't know if you managed to find that out, but yeah, you know it for next time. Let's move on to the next question. And in this question, you're going to look at numbers, but also letters. I like letters. So, are you ready for this? Ready, steady, go! Great. Time to look at the correct answer. Okay. All right. So, yeah, the only hint here that might be helpful is that if you sum up 3 and 22, you get 25. Same here, you sum up this and this, you get 25. Same for this plus this, 25. Okay, that gives us a first hint. Okay, I said the only one, but then if you think about it, you see that here you have 3. So usually for letters, like tests that involve letters, you want to count now these numbers. For instance, see here you have A, B, C, and D. Here you have 12, so you will count A, B, C, D. You will notice that it's 12 letters before M in the alphabet, and yeah, and after M you actually have 13 letters. Same for D, you have 3 letters coming before D, and after D you have 22 other letters until Z. So yeah, at the end here, if you count it, you see that the 15th letter in the alphabet is O, and so the next one is P, and after P you have 10 more letters. Okay, did you find this interesting? Yeah, if you did, then don't forget to share with your friends and puzzle them, okay? And if you are new to my channel, or if you have been a long time viewer and yet have not subscribed, this is the right time to do it. So just hit the subscription button below, and don't forget to activate the notification bell, and that way you will be notified each time that I post a new video. Okay, thank you very much for your support. Okay, I'm really glad to make these videos, and let me know what you think about them in your comment down below. Okay, and yeah, if you find any test easy, then just go ahead and try other ones on my channel. There are several of them. Yeah, like I think it should be over 160 now. So yes, don't you think it's too easy based on only one test? Thank you again very much for watching, and I'll leave you for now, and until next time, please take care. Peace.